Hey friends, welcome back to my channel. Today, I'm sharing one of my holiday appetizer videos for you that I absolutely love. These recipes are delicious, easy to make, and definitely budget friendly. Thank you for helping us grow from 40,000 subscribers back then to over 70,000 subscribers today. That really warms my heart. I appreciate all of you. Now let's get into this video. Hey friends, welcome back to my channel. Have you ever hosted a party or needed an appetizer to bring to a party but was stuck on what to make? You're the only vegan, but you wanted to make something easy, impressive, and guaranteed to wow the guests? Well, you're in the right place. Today, I'm showing you how to make 3 irresistible vegan party appetizers that are guaranteed to be the spotlight at your next party. And no one will ever believe they're plant-based. So let's get cooking. First up, we're making vegan stuffed mushrooms. These are a party classic, but this version is 100% plant-based and just as satisfying. I'm using breadcrumbs as the base for the filling, but if you want gluten-free, use quinoa instead. Mushrooms are not only delicious, but they're also packed with antioxidants and nutrients like selenium, which supports your immune system. Perfect for keeping your guests feeling great. To clean the mushrooms, gently wipe them off with a paper towel and pop off the stem. Don't toss the stems. Chop them finely and saute them with the garlic and the sun-dried tomatoes. This adds incredible flavor to your stuffing. I'm using breadcrumbs as the base for the filling. However, if you want it gluten-free, feel free to use quinoa instead. Mix it all up and spoon it into your mushroom caps. Bake for 20 to 25 minutes or until the mushrooms are tender and the tops are golden. These are tender, savory, and packed with flavor. You can even prep them ahead of time and bake them just before your party starts. Stress-free entertaining at its best. Next, let's make vegan stuffed eggs. These are a real conversation starter. For the egg whites, we're using agar-agar, a plant-based ingredient made from seaweed. It's amazing for creating that perfect egg-like texture. Quick tip, chill your molds ahead of time so the agar sets faster and releases easily. Refrigerate for about 15 minutes or until it sets. For the yolk, I'm blending firm tofu, vegan mayo, mustard, turmeric for the golden color, garlic powder, and black salt. Black salt, or calomel, gives it that signature eggy flavor. You can find it online or at specialty stores, and it's a game changer for vegan recipes. Hey everyone, I was taking a break from the kitchen. I had to run to the store and grab a few items so I could finish up this recipe. And I just wanted to get on and just say thank you. Thank you for subscribing. So many of you got us to over 40,000 subscribers and over 1.5 million views. And that's amazing. That just blows my mind every time I think about it. And all the love and support that you guys have given me throughout this whole entire year. It's been an amazing 2024. And I'm just hoping for even greater 2025 to come up. So, oh, there's a puppy. There's a puppy behind me. But yeah, I just want to say thank you, and I love you, and I appreciate every comment, every like, and just everyone supporting the channel. So looking forward to another great year of cooking and sharing recipes. So I will see you soon. Oh, and back to the video. Just look at these. They're creamy, tangy, and so close to the real thing. Garnish with a sprinkle of paprika and you're all done. These are perfect for impressing your guests. They're fun, creative, and absolutely delicious. Our final appetizer are these colorful vegan stuffed mini peppers. Before we get started, we're going to preheat our oven to 375 degrees Fahrenheit or 190 degrees Celsius. Mini bell peppers are naturally sweet, super crunchy, and a great source of vitamin C. They're also the perfect size for party snacks. The filling is so simple to make. Vegan ricotta cheese gives it a creamy texture, nutritional yeast adds a cheesy flavor, and spinach gives it a pop of color and nutrients. For an easy-to-make vegan ricotta cheese, you can find the recipe on my website. If you're short on time, you can stuff these peppers raw and serve them cold. But if you have a few extra minutes, baking them makes the filling warm and irresistible. These are vibrant, delicious, and guaranteed to be a hit at any party, and they're so easy to customize. Add your favorite herbs or spices to make them your own. And there you have it, 3 incredible vegan appetizers perfect for wowing your guests. Whether it's the stuffed mushrooms, mini peppers, or eggs, these dishes are guaranteed to make your party unforgettable. Let me know in the comments which one are you most excited to try. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video with your fellow foodies. It really helps to support the channel. Oh, and if you're looking for another show-stopping appetizer for your next party, you've got to check out my crispy cauliflower buffalo wings. They're crunchy, flavorful, and perfect for dipping. Click here to watch that video, and I'll show you how to make them in no time. With that being said, I'm Rosa, and I will see you on the next video. Bye for now.